Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite affordable IKEA pieces that will really give you that designer high-end look for less. If you're overwhelmed with the options at IKEA and you want to find the best items that will really give you that luxurious look on a budget, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, let's start out with one of the most affordable IKEA products, something that I pick up almost every time I'm there and something that everyone could use in their home, and that's a good pillow insert. This specific one from IKEA, it comes in 3 different sizes. It's feather filled, it's super plush, and it really holds its shape. So instead of having limp, thin throw pillows around your home, upgrade them for these affordable throw pillow inserts that will really give you this plush, comfortable, filled out look. IKEA offers 2 different throw pillow inserts. One of them is pretty limp and thin, and this one is really plush and feathery. It's feather filled, so it's super comfortable, and I think it's their best pillow insert. So you can go ahead and buy pillow covers from anywhere else and really get that designer look by filling your pillow cover with this really plush insert. So the standard 20 by 20 size is just $7, so it really is such a great price. They also have the 16 by 23, so you get that nice kind of lumbar pillow, and they also have the larger 26 by 26. So those are really great for using on your king size bed or layering in different sizes of pillows. Also, I should mention, I am not affiliated with IKEA at all. I wish I was. I just love sharing their affordable pieces with you, especially because I know so many people around the world have access to this store. So it's a great place to shop if you're looking for those budget-friendly finds. Now, I think IKEA has launched one of their best sofas yet. This is the Hilltarp sofa. This is one of my favorite pieces they've probably ever released. This looks extremely designer, extremely high-end. This is an exact dupe of what you'd see at high-end stores. So if you're looking for that budget-friendly option, this sofa will definitely do the trick. I love that single seat cushion, the little side pillows, the entire slipcover look. It looks very elegant and clean. It just has the perfect lines to it that give you that designer look. It comes in almost every size and shape as well. So you can get a full L sectional. You can get a sofa with a chaise extension that even has storage underneath. They also have love seats and sleeper sofas, so you can really integrate the right size into your home. No one would think it's from IKEA, and it's extremely comfortable. I also love that the entire thing is a slipcover, so if you ever want to change the color and style of your sofa, you can easily do that without buying a whole new piece. I think with this specific style sofa, the neutral colors they offer look the best, so I would choose that off-white, the beige, even that brown is very beautiful. It's kind of a cool tone brown, and it just feels right for this piece. If you're looking for a new sofa on a budget and you've been checking out IKEA, definitely check out the Hilltarp. It is the best. Now, if you're into hosting or if you're hosting for the holidays, you definitely need to check out this glassware line from IKEA. It is absolutely stunning. They came out with it this year, so it's brand new. I love the tinted brown glass. It really gives this decorative accent that looks amazing on any kind of table and really stands out if you're putting together a little drink cart for the holidays. Specialty glassware looks incredible, and it will really give you this designer look to your event or just your household in general. Especially the champagne glasses, they're so cute. I feel like they would look perfect with a little bow tied to them, and they're just $6.99. So you can really grab a bunch of these. The fluted glass is very on trend right now, and it's something that you see in a lot of high-end stores. So to see this at IKEA, you're definitely getting that designer look on a budget. I love that this comes in the goblet style, the champagne coupe, and the carafe, so you could really get the whole look. If you have any glass cabinets in your home that you store your pretty dishes and glassware in, these would look incredible because they would just add that little pop of color and interest. So I know everyone would be talking about your glassware at your party if you had these, so they are one of my favorite things at IKEA right now. I'm so glad they're stepping up their glassware. Now, something simple and classic that you can add to your home is actually one of IKEA's best-selling products. It's this set of 3 candlestick holders. These have been at IKEA for years. I bought them years ago, and they just have this timeless classic look to them that will never go out of style, so I bring them out to decorate all the time. There's something that you can use seasonally, there's something that you can use every day to decorate, but they are the perfect candlestick holder. These are the types of candlestick holders that you're gonna find at high-end stores at a way higher higher price. So they have them at IKEA in a little set of 3 for just $19.99. I like that they come in all different heights so that you can really pair them together and they look great. You guys know the perfect way to decorate is in groups of 3, so having 3 of these candlestick holders together instantly looks incredible. You can use these on your sideboards, your mantle, your dining table, really any surface around your home to decorate, especially for the holidays. Now, if you've been watching my IKEA Shop With Me videos for quite a while now, you probably know that this Lamarp cabinet line is one of my favorites. It's something so outside of what you'd expect from IKEA, and that's why I love it. It comes in 3 different colors that have this elegant, rich look to them. This entire line looks antique. It would be perfect for any home that leans a little bit more traditional or cottagecore. It has the right amount of detail to it that doesn't make it look like an IKEA piece. It has brass hardware and curved edges, and it's such a pretty piece from IKEA. This entire line comes in so many different variations, so I specifically love the sideboard, this small cabinet. It just feels like the right size for every home. I also love their tall glass cabinet. I feel like those pair really well together and would be the perfect accent for your home. It also comes in a desk and a bookshelf, so there's so many different styles you can choose from. So if you're someone that finds that IKEA pieces are a little too modern for your home, this would be the right cabinet for you. It pairs perfectly with vintage finds and antique pieces. So if you want to bring out that character in your home and have something clean, pristine, and new, this would be the right kind of cabinet for your space. Now, another cabinet you need to know about from IKEA is the Tonstad cabinet line. This is something that was launched this year as well, and it just stood out right away. This is a high-end designer looking piece. It has perfectly straight edges, so you can really group these cabinets together to create a long custom look. It comes in different styles and variations, so you can really create your own built-ins, and it has that nice bottom edge that really acts as a baseboard that makes it look very substantial and high-end. I love that they have the doors and drawers kind of inset into the piece, which makes it look even more expensive, and it has a lot of those designer touches to them. So it's made with an oak veneer. You can get it in the dark brown or the more natural light color, but the finish looks great. It's not shiny. All of the doors and drawers are soft close, so it definitely has that high-end feel to it as well. The straight lines and simplicity to it make it a great base for you to build off of and really create your own style. So I think it's one of those cabinets that would look amazing in any home. I would even swap out the hardware. You can add your own accents there. So if you're looking to create built-ins in your home, if you want to add some extra cabinetry and storage, definitely check out this line. It is one of their best. Now let's talk dining chairs. IKEA has quite the selection of dining chairs. So one of my favorite ones they have there is actually this really beautiful, nostalgic, timeless, kind of cozy chair. It's called the Skogsbo dining chair, and it comes in this dark walnut finish. And this is very reminiscent of the 19th century Brentwood chair. So it really gives you this kind of bistro look, very European, very antique looking. You can add a little cushion to it because it does not have any padding. It pairs very nicely with contrasting dining tables as well. These darker chairs are just the perfect accent to really add some contrast into your space. Also, if you're trying to accomplish that kind of cottagecore, antique, traditional, or eclectic look in your home, this dining chair would pair very nicely. Now, IKEA rugs normally lean a lot more modern with their patterns, so it usually is kind of hard to find rugs at IKEA if you have more traditional style. But they've now launched this really pretty rug at IKEA. It's a medallion, traditional patterned rug that has great neutrals, a really beautiful pattern, and it also has this faded kind of vintage look to it. So I think it's one of their best rugs so far. It has a bit of a dusty rose kind of mauve color to it, but it mostly is neutral with creams, beige, ivory, and gray. So if you are working within that color palette, I feel like this would be such a pretty rug in your space. Usually in designer spaces, you're seeing those authentic vintage rugs that are usually from overseas. They're very, very expensive. So if you want to achieve that traditional transitional look that you're seeing on a budget, this rug would definitely do the trick. Now, when it comes to shopping for a bed, I'm always looking for something that has style, but also is something that is classic and simple, something that you can have long term. So as your style around the bed evolves, the bed will always work. And this specific bed from IKEA is perfect. It's upholstered, it comes in 2 different colors, a warm neutral as well as a gray, and I love that soft curve to the top of it. It's entirely slip covered, so you can actually take off the slip cover, switch it out with the new color, and you've got yourself a brand new look, and it's completely machine washable. So I love that feature about it. It also has room underneath the bed that you can store away any kind of underbed storage. The slip cover completely covers the sides, so you won't see that, but there is that extra room under there. This bed frame also has a little bit lower of a headboard, so instead of a large headboard that's going to take up your entire wall, this would be perfect if you have windows above your bed or you have art that you want to style and you want a little bit more of a minimal look. This would be the bed. So if you're looking through all the bed options at IKEA, I think this offers so much versatility. It comes in a full size, a queen size, and a king size. Alright, so that's it for some of my favorite pieces that you can find at IKEA. I hope this video gave you some ideas on what you can pick up next time you're at IKEA to really get that designer look for less. It's all about how you style your pieces to really make it look designer, so don't forget about all those details. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!